Part 1 blew your mind? Wait until you see how your own body can break bones by sneezing.
Fact number 26. Your tongue print is as unique as your fingerprint. Though rarely used in forensics, the tongue has distinctive patterns that differ from person to person.
Fact number 27. Sneezes can travel at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, projecting droplets over 6 meters. That's why sneezing etiquette really matters.
Fact number 28. Most of your body's dust is made of dead skin cells. Up to 80% of household dust comes from the people living in it.
Fact number 29. Women generally have a stronger immune system than men. Estrogen boosts immune responses while testosterone can slightly suppress them.
Fact number 30. Your ears never stop growing. While most organs stabilize with age, cartilage in the ears and nose continues to grow slowly throughout life.
Fact number 31. The average human heart is roughly the size of a fist, but it pumps around 1.5 million barrels of blood during a lifetime, enough to fill over 200 train tank cars. Fact number 32. The pupil of your eye expands by up to 45% when you see someone you love. This physiological response is linked to adrenaline and dopamine activity.
Fact number 33. Your blood type can affect your health in unexpected ways. For example, people with type O have lower risks of heart attack, while type AB may be more prone to memory loss.
Fact number 34. Human hair is virtually indestructible. It resists acids, decomposition, and can remain intact for centuries under the right conditions.
Fact number 35. The brain freeze you get from cold food is actually a rapid constriction of blood vessels in the palate, triggering a pain signal in the brain.
Fact number 36. Your bones are denser in the morning than in the evening. Throughout the day, gravity and movement slightly compress them, reducing their volume temporarily.
Fact number 37. More than 90% of serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is produced in your gut, not your brain. That's why digestive health is linked to mental well-being.
Fact number 38. It takes only 8 seconds for nicotine to reach the brain after inhaling cigarette smoke, which makes smoking highly addictive. Fact number 39. A healthy adult can survive for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. The brain and kidneys are especially sensitive to dehydration.
Fact number 40. Your eyes blink around 20 times per minute. That's over 28,000 times a day. Blinking helps moisturize, clean, and protect the eyes from dust and light.
Fact number 41. The human body contains more than 650 muscles. Some of them, like the stapedius in the ear, are less than 1 millimeter long but crucial for daily function.
Fact number 42. The surface area of your lungs is roughly the same size as a tennis court, about 70 square meters, thanks to millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli.
Fact number 43. Human tears contain natural painkillers, endorphins that are released when you cry. That's why crying can make you feel better emotionally and physically. Fact number 44. Your small intestine is about 6 meters or 20 feet long, almost 4 times the height of the average adult human. It absorbs nutrients from everything you eat. Fact number 45. The white part of your eye is called the sclera, and it's one of the most durable tissues in your body, resisting damage even under extreme pressure. Fact number 46. A single sneeze can produce up to 40,000 droplets, many of which can carry viruses or bacteria through the air, making hygiene especially important. Fact number 47. The human brain processes images in as little as 13 milliseconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye, allowing you to react instantly to danger.
Fact number 48. Some people have super tasters genes that make them much more sensitive to bitter and spicy flavors. This is linked to variations in taste receptor density.
Fact number 49. Your body has its own built-in clock, called the circadian rhythm, that controls everything from sleep to hormone release. Light is the main trigger that keeps it aligned.
Fact number 50. The average adult's skin weighs around 4 to 5 kilograms, making it the heaviest organ in the body. It also plays a vital role in temperature regulation and immune defense.
If you're still watching, your curiosity is your superpower. Hit like, subscribe, and come back for part 3. It only gets weirder.